So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D text logos in your browser for free without any software that you can use anywhere you want. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for cooltext.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Here you're going to see multiple 3D text that you can use to create your icon, your logo. For an example, let's select this one, the burning one. Here it will ask you to upload to write the text of which you want to generate the font. And once you're satisfied, just simply hit create logo, and your logo have been created. You can use multiple different fonts, multiple different types available for. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.